Welcome to FargoFX. We have pretty much just a channel update here. We're also going to bring an honorable and respectful end to this hat that served me so well for so many months when I first started the channel. But first, I want to give you a quick preview of what I hope will be the next video I release, although I'm having a little bit more trouble in production than I expected. I'm doing some experiments with bullet-resistant materials, and I'm not going to go into a whole lot of explanation on it now because you'll see it when you see the video. And then also I'll quickly mention we do have another subscriber builds that should be out, I hope, early next week. And then as we retire this old venerable hat, I really want to express my gratitude to you, the viewers of this channel, the subscribers of this channel. When I started doing blacksmithing and knife making videos about 1.5 years ago, I had no idea how much support I would get and what an awesome community of people I would meet. So thank you so much. Thanks for helping me build this channel by your support, and thanks also for helping me build my skills. I have really learned a lot from the advice I've been given and from many of the comments that I've read. So thanks again to all of you. And then kind of the last thing I want to mention is if any of you are in the path of this approaching hurricane that's due to hit, I think, on Friday. You know, I know we have a lot of supporters from the Carolinas and from the East Coast and from the South, and I realize that hurricanes and major storms are nothing new to you, and I'm not going to pretend to know what's best for you where you are, but I will just say, please don't take any risks you don't need to take, and please stay safe. And for any of you who are praying folks, as I am, please say a prayer or maybe many prayers for the eastern U.S. as this hurricane approaches. And keep in mind that it isn't just the physical safety of the people involved, but a lot of times these storms can spawn massive flooding and extraordinary property damage or damage to livestock, crops, damage to businesses. So again, stay safe. God bless you all. And with that, I will wrap up this video. Thanks again for watching. We've got lots more great content to come, and I am hugely grateful to all of you for making this channel possible.
Gotta get underneath. How many jaws does it have?
That thing is nasty.
That's pretty awesome.
Wow, look at those. Oh, look at it. Those big brown fangs coming out.
Nor do I see an eyeball.